In this video, I'll demonstrate how to replace the default resources area that's in Sakai. Looks a lot like files and folders on your computer with information here about access and creation, when it was modified, menus, and replace this with something that actually looks much more streamlined. So here's a direct link to the Day 4 folder that's in Resources. So I'm going to create another one of these, and I'm going to create a link that goes to the topmost level in Resources. And then I'm going to hide the default resources from view so that the only thing that students see is the new resource area that I've created. So first I go to Resources, find the topmost level here, topmost folder, and go to its Actions menu, Edit Details. Scroll down and select URL for copying for the direct web address for the resources folder. Copy, and then just cancel. Okay, so now I'm going to create the link to this that's going to appear over here in the menu. And to do that, I go to Site Info, Edit Tools, scroll down, and check Web Content, and click Continue. And I'm going to replace this default title with, I'm going to call it New Resources Area just to make it plain. If this were an actual course, I would just change it to Resources. And copy the URL, or paste the URL that I copied from Resources here into Source. Click Continue, and then click Finish. And here we have New Resources Area. And if we click that, you can see we can go into Day 1 session materials, additional materials, and the links directly to websites and files that are stored on Resources. Okay, so that's how that's going to work. So now what we need to do is go into Site Info and remove from view. We're going to hide it, though we're not going to remove it, the default resources area, and we do that by going to Site Info Page Order, and we find Resources, and we click the light bulb icon, hide the following page from normal users in this case meaning students, and we've hidden that, and we want to be sure to click Save. And you can see that now it's dimmed and italicized, so that's visible only to instructors. So if you look at this through student view, you will not see that link there. And now we've got the new resources area here. So if we want to move that back up to the top of the menu, where resources generally appears, go back to Site Info Page Order, and now we can drag this up. And we can rename it if we want to. So for example, New Resources Area, let's just call it Resources, since that's what students will expect to see. Click the checkbox and click Save. And now we can see there's that web link icon, the folder icon, that belongs to the old default resources. This is our new resources, and it looks like this.